My name is Atesh Kumar. I am a student of basic level at Paragon Academy, Badin. So today's my presentation topic name is called advantage and disadvantage of cell phone. So first of all, I tell about advantage, and there are different of uses of cell phones, such as information, knowledge, academic purpose, entertainment, and it is a source of communication, and combination where parents, relative, peers, friends, and we make calls and tag messages, and we provide with useless of information and knowledge, and it is an academic purpose. When we feel bored, when we use for entertainment, playing videos, and watching videos, and so now I tell about disadvantage of cell phone. There are some disadvantage of cell phones, and they overuse for cell phone, your weakness, your eyesights, and to waste your time and money. And cell phones are disturb the student to willing studies, and it break and to distract concentration and attention.